Here are all the pieces sorted by color and by type of part for bag 4 of the Lego rough terrain crane. And here is the finish of bag 4. And I have to say, a simple mistake really cost me some time because I had to disassemble and then try to figure out how it goes back together again. And the funny thing about it is that simple mistake, I found another mistake when I was checking to see if the how it goes back together by looking at the instructions. Moral of the story is pay attention to what you're doing the first time.